How to change Gmail password. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you change your Gmail account password. So it's a very simple thing. You just have to make sure to watch this video till the end. Since Google and Gmail are a same service and the password also remains the same, so you could simply go ahead and make sure to change it from the Google itself. So what I'm going to do is open up the Google application and go to this section and click on the initials, right? So what next you want to do is make sure to select the particular account and go to manage your Google account. It is then going to take you to the next field where you can see all of your info section. So here you could actually go ahead and scroll down a bit, or you can just go to personal info section and you have this information right on this page. So you could also find your password section. Here it is. In order to change your password, you have to go ahead and make sure to enter in the current password. First thing, you have to verify it. Once done verifying, you will then be taken to the next field where you could go ahead and make sure to change your password. So now type in the password and once again confirm it. And once you've actually done typing in, you want to simply click on change password right over here and you'll have successfully changed your password. However, if you do not remember your current password or the previous password, then what you need to do is you simply want to make sure to click on forgot password, and it's going to send you some sort of verification code or a link which you have to enter in, and once you bypass that section, you'll be then be able to change your password. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.